So it is time for a test ride. Now, a lot of you have asked why I don't film test rides after I restore these bikes, and honestly, it's a good question because I always ride the bikes after I restore them. But, you know, bringing a camera everywhere you go is not always convenient. I'm trying to get used to it, being that I've got a YouTube channel now. So what I've done is I've hooked up my GoPro 8 Black up to my Arrive Vector helmet, and you can see I've got the Sena Bluetooth speaker as well. Well, it's a communicator for a few of my buddies that also have the Sena Bluetooth setups. So this is basically what I'm working with here, and hopefully I can capture some good footage today. I need to ride the bike to the tax collector's office to transfer the title. That way we can go ahead and sell this RC51 and see what kind of a profit we made on the build. But for now, let's go for a ride. All right, welcome back to the garage. We have the RC51 pulled out. You can see my 2008 ZX-10R there in the background. And we need to get this RC51 to the DMV. That way we can get the title transferred. So I am wearing a Scorpion exoskeleton jacket with some Oakley riding gloves that my brother bought me for Christmas. And we are just about ready to go. All right, where's my keys? There we go. All right, let's go ahead and back it out. For anyone who doesn't know, this is the 2003 RC51. I believe it has 133 brake horsepower at 10,000 RPM and 71 pound-feet of torque at 8,000 RPM. And the dry weight is approximately 440 pounds, I believe. And the bike has a top speed of around 164 miles an hour. And what else is there about this bike? It's a 90-degree V-twin. It's got a Jardine 2-into-1 full system. However, the previous owner gutted the can, so I would expect a little bit of a loss of power. So we're going to be monitoring the temp gauge today. These bikes tend to run a little bit hot. Go ahead and back it out, let it warm up. We got 2 electric scooters. Those are pretty fun too. So you're probably not going to be able to hear me talking very much throughout the ride, so I'm just going to let you enjoy the scenery and the exhaust note. But yeah, so this is my first ride-along video with the 2003 RC51, and I hope you guys like it. Coming to stops, there's no stuttering, no stalling. The bike's running great with that new fuel pressure regulator. this moment. Sitting in stop and go traffic, and our temp gauge has gone up to about 200 degrees. I don't know if you can see that or not, but no problems idling. If anything, the idle's still a little bit high. Before, when I first test rode it, the bike would die at about I would say maybe 1 or 2 minutes just sitting at the light, or sometimes just rolling up to a light, it would stall or it would die. So could probably adjust the idle a little bit, but I'll leave that to the next owner. For me, I'm just having fun riding this thing around, and honestly, whoever gets this bike is going to be really lucky. I feel like we really brought it back to life. Alright, well that wraps up the series on the 2003 RC51. There's a potential buyer on their way here now to check out the bike. And if you want to see more builds like this in the future, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share, and let us know what you want to see for our future builds. We've got a few more projects coming up in the pipeline, but for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next build.